Hi, it's Logan from sleepopolis.com, and I'm going to be doing a review of the UK version of the Casper mattress. The construction is a little bit different. It's only available in the UK. First things first though, just like all Casper mattresses, they arrive in a box, so you have to get it out of the box, set up on the frame. So let's get going. Alright, and that's it for setup. As with any bed-in-a-box mattress, it's important to let it decompress for a little while before you sleep on it, so just stay on the lookout for my upcoming review.